first thing we want to do is lift the bed of the unit, and underneath that, close to the rear seats, there's a cover, access cover, that we need to remove 4 push pins on, and that'll give us access to the oil fill cap. Now this unit has 2 oil drains. If you check your owner's manual, it'll show you the location for the oil change portion. Now this unit also has a DCT system. This video just involves the oil service itself. As the oil is draining, now is a good time to check the condition of the crush washers. If either one of them are damaged or missing, you'll want to replace them to prevent any future leaks. Once all the oil is drained, now it's time to reinstall the drain bolts and torque these to 22 foot-pounds. Now, to remove the oil filter, on the left side of the engine, you'll see 2 caps. One's labeled ENG for engine and the other's labeled DCT. That's for the sub-transmission section. We're going to be doing the oil change on this one, so we'll remove the top cap. And once you take out the oil filter, if you notice, it says this side out. So make sure when you put your new filter in, that it's put in the same orientation. Now we'll go ahead and install our new oil filter, replace our spring, and put our cap back in place, but make sure you check the O-ring for damage. And we'll simply just snug these 3 bolts down. Don't want to over tighten these, just nice and snug is all you need. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Honda states that this unit holds 6.8 quarts of Honda 10W40 motorcycle oil. And we'll simply put our oil fill cap back in place. Now we're going to start the engine up, let it idle for just a few minutes. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. Once it's idled for a few moments, then we'll go ahead and shut the engine off and let it set for a few more minutes. That's going to help us get an accurate oil level reading. In the rear driver's side floorboard, there'll be a little access panel with 2 push pins. We'll remove that cover, and that'll give us access to the dipstick. So what we'll do is we'll remove the dipstick, wipe off the excess oil, and push it back in the chamber and lift it out, and that'll give us our oil level. And it looks great, guys, so let's get ready to hit the trails.